Hello guys, let me unbox this for you. It's a Black & Decker. It's a cordless drill machine, and this is 10 mm. So here is Black & Decker. These are the bits. Here are the bits, Black & Decker bits. This is the charger. This is the charger. I got it in the box. These are the these are the drill. This one is the drill. Then we have this one. Okay, and this is the drill, which is 10 mm. So this is the 12 volt lithium, and this is cordless. So basically, I think so. This one is forward and reverse. All right. So this, if you see the button here, this is back when you press it, and this one is this button. If you see the arrow here, this is forward when you press it. So this one you need to press it like this, right? So this is it. Now this one is in forward motion. Now if I press it, this one, this will be at reverse. See this one? Reverse. Thank you for watching.